on this 4x4, guys. 4x4 closure wig unit, 24-inch body wave. Make sure you stay tuned to this video. Shayskyler, and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're a returning subby? So today I am going to be reviewing a company I've never reviewed before. They're called Ayiyi hair. Okay, it comes in this pretty pink box. They contacted me, sent me this wig last week. They shipped it and I got it yesterday. It was super fast. This unit came FedEx Express, so it was really quick. We're gonna go ahead and get into the contents of what's inside this box. All right, so this unit comes with a lot in the box. They give me this really cute clip. I like this gold clip, y'all. So they give me this clip. They give me a headband. They give me a edge brush. They give me a clip, and y'all know I'm always losing these clips. They give me a brown dark color wig cap, so I'm liking that. They know your girl is melanated, and they give me this light brown what I'm gonna do with it cap. Also inside the package they give me some lashes, so let's go ahead and see how these look, and they're really cute. I'm loving the lashes, the little minky minks. And we're gonna go ahead and get into the unit. So I'm gonna put all the information on this unit in the box below in the description box. But this is their 24-inch body wave unit, and she is in a 4x4 lace closure, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get into her, but y'all, she is a beauty. Okay, see her curls. Yes, honey, I love me some body wave. I haven't had a body wave unit in forever. All right, so she comes with a middle part. So this is how the parting looks. So she comes pre-parted. The parting's really nice. She also comes pre-plucked, and I'll probably go in and just pluck a little bit more, but this is how she looks pre-plucked. And y'all know I'm gonna give you the install with her pre-pluck first, because we're trying to do beginner friendly wigs. And then also here, this is the lace, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this lace on my skin, and this is how the lace is looking. So the lace is transparent, so the lace is really nice. Y'all can see this. All right, guys, so I love 4x4 closures because it's easy for you to maintain. Remember, we're doing easy installs, so this is really easy because you're only applying anything to this area and you don't have to worry about anything else. Okay, so let's get into the construction of the inside of the unit. So we have two combs that sit on the side. We have a comb that sits in the back, which is my favorite comb, and we have a comb that sits in the middle. Okay, and then also we have this strap, which is great. And then we also have the strap that comes with it that, you know, you can tighten and do what you need to do with this. So I'm looking at this unit and it seems like it's a little bit big head friendly, so we're really excited about that. And then this is how the wig is constructed in the inside, guys. So she doesn't come with any baby hairs, but y'all know we're going to make the baby hairs come through. And also I want to make this wig look like a 13x4, so I'm also going to show you guys how to do that as well. So y'all, let's just prepare for this install. So I'm going to go ahead and snatch this out, and then I'm not going to do any talking. I'm going to do like a little voiceover to go ahead and install this unit. All right, guys, you don't need to wear a cap. Okay, you can wear a cap if you want to. Like if your braids are really sloppy and you need to hold them in, I would tell you to use a cap, but if not, it's fine because I did my braids neat today, so I don't need a cap. All right, y'all, so I'm going to be using my bolt hole, and I'm going to apply 2 layers of this. So this is the first layer, and once that dries, then I'm going to be applying a second layer. And while I was doing that, I was cutting off the lace of the unit. All right, guys, so now I'm just going to take my Fit Me powder. All right, guys, so now I'm just going to put on the unit. Put her right on top. And I'm also gonna insert my clips on both sides. And I see I need a little bit of glue there. So I'm just gonna take my blow dryer. Nice and blow dry. I want y'all to see these curls though. And this is her length on me. This is how long she actually is. So y'all know body wave give you a little bit of bounce. Okay, so this is her part. So I don't have to do too much to her part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part her correctly, making sure that all the hair is where it's supposed to be. And then we're gonna go ahead and get ready to style these edges, okay? All right, guys, so that's it with this. I'm gonna go ahead and take the unit out of the scrunchie. I'm gonna give her a good brush comb. And I don't really want to comb it out too much. So this is what she is looking like. I am loving her, guys. Like, she is so pretty. And y'all see the part? And I love how nice the lace is. The lace is really nice. She is very, very full. She is 150% density. And this is how her length is looking. Lower my seat so y'all can see. And I'll turn around and show y'all how she looks in the back. So this is how she's looking in the back. I am loving her, guys. So very easy and not giving me a 4x4 closure look, just how I did the baby hairs. So yeah, very easy, very beginner friendly. Let me know if y'all loving her. Again, this is Ayiyi hair. And I'll put the cost of this unit right here and also in the description box and all the information where you can go and buy her. Most likely I'm gonna flexi rod her or put her in some wand curls. So if you guys would like to see that, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at shayskyler right here. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I love her, y'all. Like, we're gonna look at shedding. I'm gonna take, all right, so I just see one strand of hair. So I didn't expect to see a lot of shedding in body wave due to the fact that the waves are they're not tight. So yeah.